Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sus2 chords. These fascinating musical elements add a distinct flavor to your sound, moving beyond typical major and minor harmonies. We'll break down their simple construction, understand their unique sonic qualities, and then dive into practical applications on both guitar and piano. By the end, you'll have a solid grasp of how to confidently use Sus2 chords in your music, enriching your compositions and improvisations with their characteristic open and airy feel. A Sus2 chord, short for suspended second, is a three-note chord built differently from standard major or minor triads. Instead of the usual root, third, and fifth, it features a root, a major second, and a perfect fifth. For example, a C major chord is CEG, but a C Sus2 chord is CDG. The E is replaced by a D. This substitution removes the defining major or minor quality, giving the chord an open, airy, and somewhat unresolved sound. Playing Sus2 chords is quite straightforward. On guitar, you can often modify existing open chord shapes. For instance, to play a C Sus2, you can form a C major chord and then lift your middle finger from the D string, allowing the open D string to ring out, giving you CDG. For piano, simply take any major triad, like CEG, and lower the middle note, the third, by one whole step. So E becomes D, resulting in CDG for C Sus2. Experiment with these simple adjustments to discover many new voicings. Sus2 chords offer a unique sonic palette, often described as open, dreamy, or even ethereal. They introduce a gentle tension that can resolve beautifully into a major or minor chord, or stand alone for an ambiguous feel. Many artists use them in pop, rock, and ambient music to add color and movement to their progressions. Try substituting a major or minor chord with its Sus2 counterpart to create a fresh sound, or use it as a passing chord to smoothly connect different harmonies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.